guys, automatic na yung pag-withdraw natin dito ng mga napagbentahan ng bote. Oh. Ayan o. Yun. Scan the barcode. Just for me, yep. Just scan the barcode, yep.
That's it.
Yep.
The notes will come from here.
Okay, yep. Thank you so much, mate. Thank you. So yun guys, na-scan na natin yung barcode. Ito, barcode scan, tapos lalabas na yung pera dyan. Ganun ka-high-tech dito magbenta ng scrap ng mga 10 cents natin. Thank you so much to all my foreign friends who really support.
Number 28.
Okay. And then dito yung